Hello people, so this is my fourth video of the day, and people, I have to say this, that in this interim period that I've not been vlogging, it's like I've been very diligent about getting subscribers when I travel by the metro train. Like every day while going, I get a subscriber, and while coming also I get a subscriber. Touch wood, touch wood. Many people look at me very suspiciously, like, just what is this lady doing? Why is she, I make sure I request them and explain to them that I have a channel and all of that. So people, there are lots of suggestions that have come to me. That some have actually told me, please put some makeup. I mean, you're like, but what I feel is, I don't want to. If I make it too artificial, yeah, for me, by my standards also, then like I want to enjoy this whole process of doing YouTube videos, yeah. And of course, with a little amount of makeup, I would probably look much better, but it's okay. Because and that's what, like I said, I have a bit sensitive skin, so makeup doesn't really, even something as simple as lipstick. I bought a 950 rupee color bar lipstick, and I could use it just once or twice because it just doesn't agree with my skin, yeah. So so that's what, so I'm going to just keep it real. And since I'm speaking of keeping it real, yeah, I know this is a wrong thing to advertise right now, but 2-minute Maggie noodles. No, like I brought a whole bunch of products to review, and this is also part of the thing. And my only tip for anyone who is as addicted to Maggie as I am is to always cook Maggie in some boiled vegetable water, or boiled groundnut water, or beetroot water, or something, because that instantly improves the taste, and it's healthy. So yeah, this is a very small silly little tip. And people, right now while recording itself, there's a part of me, there's a mental line of thought, train of thought that is going, that oh my god, my video is getting long, or I should just stick to the topic. Or then one part of me is thinking like, no, I should speak about things that as a viewer I like to watch. Like I don't like these direct product reviews that people are like speaking only about the product. Yeah, who's interested? So I'd rather hear about the person's day, or life in Hyderabad, or life in whichever city they are shooting from. So see, I'm holding the camera, so maybe I should get something that will keep the camera. Yeah, that is also something. But anyway, so Maggie noodles. One of my students, I was a faculty at IIIT, this engineering college. So one of my students there, the kid is on Instagram. I saw he's on some Roopkund trek or something, and then he's posted a pic, stopped for a Maggie break. So imagine, Maggie is cooked there up in the mountains and hills. And even as I'm speaking, I'm beginning to feel hungry, so I think I'll switch over to the next product. Otherwise I'll be so tempted to stop my video recording to make this. Not a good idea. So anyway, on that note, thanks for watching people, and please subscribe.